no slack, can't hear that slack, can't hear that. Niggas had some.
No, you ain't ready, you ain't prepared, life ain't sweet, life ain't fair. I don't know what happened, I think don't care. My big ass thing, shit like a bear.
Alright, what is up, guys? Yo, so yesterday we dropped the car. It was super cloudy and rainy and cold. Today is Sunday. It's beautiful outside. We're about to go get a wash too. So it look nicely. What you think about the car? No.
Right.
Nah, be honest. What's your honest?
Right.
Stop the cap.
She don't like it. She don't like it. Sammy, what you think about the car?
Looks the same.
So her looks the same. So a lot of people look the same, but if you know, you know. So here it is, yo. Here it is. Look, all dropped in nice. All dropped in nice. We about to get the reaction, mamá. ¿Qué tú crees del carro?
Nice. Ese es mi panda.
Pero ¿cómo se ve?
Se ve bien bonito, está más bajito. Pero vamos a
She
darle
couldn't
otro.
even tell, yo.
Oh, no, I can tell you.
I added what part?
So, extra.
I didn't add nothing to the car. It's just lower down. But yeah, the car looks nice. We about to get it washed. Look how it looks. Woo! Alright, we over here at the car wash, yo. There's a long line. I never seen the line this long, but today's like the first day that's actually nice outside. So everybody here. Alright, so we're here in Panda right now. This is a car wash. We got the monthly pass over here, so we be coming like once or twice a week. But y'all can't see, but there's a huge line behind us. But yeah, today's the first day that's actually nice outside here in Jersey. It's also Air Max Day, so you feel me? We got the Air Maxes on. What you got on? You got the Dunks? Oh, she got the Dunks on. Sammy, what you got on? Look at this. Okay. She got the 5s on. Alright, we are about to go in right now. Oh, so yeah, this is the first time that we're washing the car after we lowered it. So I'm low-key scared. Hopefully it doesn't drag or anything. You feel me? Yo, I lowered the car. You don't think it's gonna hit or anything, right?
A ver.
Yeah.
I like your shoes.
Thank you, thank you.
I just saw them online the other day.
Oh yeah? So yeah.
Agarraste coilo.
No, I got lowering springs. So yeah, so I put it 2 inches down, so hopefully it don't. Oh yeah? Thank you, bro. Alright, so it didn't touch the bottom, thank God. Sheesh. Said he liked my shoes, you feel me? We gotta give YouTube a full outfit of the day. Yeah, we be washing the car every time. Over here. They're making sure Panda look nice. So yeah, I was literally very afraid about the car going through here because I thought it was gonna be too low to the point that it was gonna be hitting the bottom. I think if I put the front lip, it will definitely hit the floor.
So no front lip. No front lip now.
Nah, it's already low enough. Right, guys? Unless we put in airbags and then we can lift it up when it's at the car wash. I can't wait to see it. You know what I always get scared? Is that I leave the sunroof open. Alright, Panda about to come out right now. Okay. Looking mean over there. Yeah, the line is not as long as it was before. But there's a lot of people here. Looking nice, man. So yeah, I'm loving the fitment. That front wheel look like it barely has any space in between the wheel and the fender. But so far, me driving it today, like I was going through the potholes to make sure that it's good because we here in Jersey, so it be getting crazy. But everything is pretty good so far. And it's almost done. So about to go in. Be brand new, you feel? I think it's ready, right? Oh, the tires, yeah. Them tires are about to look shiny. Oh, they bumping Catherine's music. So yeah, usually when we get home, we try to pass the towel again to make sure it's nice and dry. because although they, you know, they clean it up, it's not always all the way. So I just like to make sure. But yeah, shout out to Frankie's Car Wash. We should get sponsored, right?
Please fasten driver seatbelt.
I'm going Panda. Panda won't be quiet unless I have my seatbelt on. But yeah, always have your seatbelt on. Alright, so we just washed the car. This is what Panda looking like right now. Yo, it looks so nice, yo. It looks so nice. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like today, like right here, like that's literally my finger right here. Hopefully it don't get too loaded on that. Then I love the fitment that I got from the side. Oh, I gotta close the gas tank. Yeah, that looks mean. That looks mean. I'm in love. I'm in love. Alright, so I think this is vlog worthy. So the towel for the car was actually wet because yesterday was raining when we were installing the stuff on the car. But look, we about to eat. This is so good. This is Dominican food. If y'all don't know, this is the Dominican food right here. About to have a feast. Alright, yo, so we had changed the plans. We couldn't drive the car because today's our niece's birthday. She's turning, what, 3? Yeah, we knew that. She's turning 3, and the party was supposed to start at 2. It's right now 3:45. That's Dominican time for you, you feel me? We couldn't drive the car. We probably will drive it later when we come back.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
It's still super nice outside. I still can't believe it. I'm gonna try to get some B-roll for you guys so you guys see the car, how it looks. I'm in love. Catherine, how you feel?
Okay.
I don't know what that means. But yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so we're on the way right now. Yo, if y'all didn't know, something that I love about Panda is the fact that it has cruise control and it stays on the lanes. So that's something that all the 10th gen of course have, where you could just do this and it drives by itself, show the road. Like it has the lane assist with the road. So here you guys can see it right here. So look, there's a turn right now. I'm not touching it and it's gonna be turning by itself. So it's basically like Panda a Tesla, you feel me? But you can't do it for too long because then the thing shows up there. But yeah, it just has the little lane assist. But yeah, I just want to say it's been now a day with the lowering springs, and honestly, I love them. I have like literally no problems. I've been trying to go through potholes because here in Jersey we got a bunch of potholes. If you're not from Jersey, you might not know. But if you're from Jersey, you know that Jersey has mad potholes. So that was one of my main concerns when I was trying to get the lowering springs, and that's the reason why I didn't get coilovers, because I did my research and people was also telling me that with the coilovers the car is too stiff. So if you're to hit a hole, you're not bouncing like comfortably, but instead like you hit it and like it's annoying. So that's why I went with lowering springs, because I still wanted that comfort when we drive, and I also wanted the car to look low. Okay, they outside with the I'm telling you, it's beautiful outside, so everybody outside right now. Yeah. So we almost here. We're about to get here at 4, 2 hours after when we were supposed to be here. But that's the Dominican in us. We're also in Patterson right now, where the roads are horrible. This is probably the last place I would want Panda to be when he's this low to the ground, because there's a bunch of potholes here. But hopefully we don't hit any and we're good. Oh, they've been fixing the streets though. Why? Because this street before was bad. And then the thing be trying to find parking here. There's never parking. Alright, so every time I park, to not scratch the rims, I be checking the mirror like this. There's some stuff on the floor. Is that a diaper? Oh my gosh. I hate Patterson. No offense to anybody that lives here. If you're watching you from Patterson, I'm sorry. But yeah, I always make sure that I check the rear view camera and the side so I don't scratch the rims, because I've done that in the past. Only one time, but one time was too much. But yeah, so we're gonna be outside for this birthday, and then we'll probably get back. And yeah, we don't got automatic mirrors, so I just make sure I always close it every time. But yeah, this is how Panda looking right now. Dirty diaper on the floor, that's nasty. What happened? It's dirt. A leaf. Yeah. Yo, can you give YouTube a full outfit of the day real quick? You see your finger, man? That's what we brought today, you see me?
Oh my God! Wow!
You gotta tell them like.
And we got the gift here. Yep. Alright guys, yo, we outside right now. We wanted to do some B-roll. We tried going to a car meet, but we were too late, and there's another car meet, but it's too far, so I do not feel like going over there. So we came over here to this little school. So yeah, we about to get some B-roll and end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. More videos. I'm probably gonna be uploading every week. Let me know what you guys think about the content. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, leave a comment, and follow Panda 2.0T on IG for more reels and more content. Peace. Yeah, it came with the black accents. Okay. So it came with the black mirror. It came with the tail in the back. Yeah, black. Yeah. And then it came with the spoiler black too. So yeah. That's nice, man. Yeah. Congratulations. All right, man. Thank you. You feel me? We're getting noticed over here. He said the car looked nice, so he came to check it out. So we are about to leave now. We've been here for a little minute, taking a lot of videos. I hope you guys enjoy it. You feel me? Yeah, man. All right, Kat about to drive Panda for the first time out the Pinot. You're excited? Don't crash. Panda looking fresh. All right, we about to get some more B-roll. So I'm gonna move over here. So how you feel about driving like that?
I barely drove.
Yeah, she drove like 2 blocks. Not even 2 blocks, like 2 feet. 2 feet, my fault. So yeah, we were over here getting some B-roll, some nice pictures for the IG. Make sure y'all follow the IG. Y'all better have Catherine driving now. Can you unlock the door? Hello? Thanks. Alright, let's see how good you drive. I'm low-key scared.
Oh Lord, put your seatbelts on.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yo, why you going so fast? We was trying to do the B-roll and you was going mad quick.
Wait, I wasn't told what.
Babe, if I'm trying to record the clips for IG, you can't be going that fast.
I thought she was going fast?
Yeah.
I thought it was. How do I get out of here?
Alright, so go straight. So you see there's speed bumps here. So this way. No. So go right here now. Turn left. Turn left. Turn more left. Bruh. And then turn right. One wheel at a time. There you go. No, you take speed bump straight. Yo, what is going on? Alright, there's another one here. Watch out. So same thing. You be getting mad when I be trying to drive fast, but you could do it.
Different when I do it.
You know how to get home, right? Sammy, how you feel about today? We got Nezuko right here, you feel me? We got Nezuko. We got Tanjiro, if y'all watch Demon Slayer. And then, of course, we got Panda. We can't forget about Panda. And they're kind of stuck right now, so that's why we got a bunch of them right now. Nezuko is the only one that is, like, able to come off. These two are, like, nutted.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And we cannot take them off, so.
Then why don't you take Nezuko off? No, not the
because
dogs. Don't go
I
yet,
like
dogs.
Nezuko.
Don't go, dogs. Don't
Bro,
go.
those are
Dogs.
Yo, slow down. Are you gonna run them over?
Bruh.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Move to the side, dogs.
You gotta have some animal rights, bro.
That big truck comes randomly.
So how does the car feel?
It feels low. I feel like I'm on
Can you tell the viewers your actual
Okay, so my
opinion?
actual opinion is, I personally wouldn't have lowered the car.
Bruh.
I personally like the car the way it was, but it is what it is.
You liked it being a monster truck, right?
It wasn't a monster truck.
There was hella space. We was up in the clouds.
Oh my god, exagerado. No, we were not. No, I just personally.
I think we were too high up.
I don't think we're too high up. I personally.
Well, so yeah, she does not like it at all. Me, I love it.
It is what it is.
Literally
what
yesterday
can I
I
do
was
about
doing it and I was smiling the whole time. Couldn't stop smiling.
You're lucky I love you, and your smile means more to me than having a car lifted. So, what it is.
Sammy, what do you think about the car?
Just also don't think that
Me personally, to be honest, I think it looks the same.
Uh,
And I'd rather have it higher because now we can't take shortcuts to church.
What?
Also, I really feel the difference now about being on the ground. I see it. I feel the floor more.
Whatever.
Well,
I love it.
To understand it.
And I love it. So
I gotta be driving to understand it.
Yeah, because when you're driving, you can kind of feel like you see the ground. Like, don't you see the ground?
Cat the instructor, go crazy.
I mean, I can drive.
Sammy trying to drive already. Sammy, you have some mirrors on you first.
I got.
Bro, this girl is 12 and she already trying to drive. Like,
I drove.
bro, watch out.
I was just gonna flip.
I never drove, you guys.
Well, we just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. We'll be back. We're gonna be posting more videos and stuff. Make sure y'all follow the Instagram for Panda 2.0T. That's where we be posting a lot of content, like daily content. And of course, like this is what it's looking like over here. Like, people just do whatever they want. Look at him. Careful. Yo, you're moving too quick, bro. Yo, she be having a problem every time I drive some type of way, but she be just whipping it over here.
Whipping it.
Like, bro. And don't get too close, because now the car's slower, so. Oh my gosh, I'm really scared. I'll tell you, keep going. That's it. We can. Like we said, thank you guys for watching. We'll be back. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. Anything you guys want to say?
Peace. Stay off drugs.
Okay.
What? Stay off drugs, guys. Peace out.
Louis V my bag and Louis V on my belt. Chain swinging, diamonds bling. Hold on, pistol swinging, gang bang.